Alright guys, panibagong video, panibagong araw na naman. Ngayong araw ay papunta tayo sa food court. Kaya samahan niyo ako, let's go! So ngayon dito tayo sa may Global Village Tenwall Day. Ayan, dito tayo. Ayan. Pasok tayo dito. Tignan natin kung anong meron. Ayan. Ito. Tignan natin dito. Information point, grandstand ticket. Hindi na natin kailangan yan magpunta. Dito tayo. Yes, dito tayo. Look at that. Different kind of ito. Manx National Heritage. Yan. Yan guys. Okay. Yan. Ito naman. Ano dito? Permanent jewelry. Ayan o. Wow. Ito. Ito naman mga tanim guys. So, iba't ibang mga klaseng mga tanim. Mga plants. Plantito. Maganda to. Garden craters. Concrete. Ayan, Global Village. Ayan. Ito naman sa kabila. Ano?
Say hello to...
Hello.
Ay, ito ka pa. Kali ka rin. Vlogger.
Vlogger, nandito. Shout out.
Hi, shout out sa taga-Alok man daw.
Ayan, shout out sa mga taga Cagayan Valley.
Bali.
Ayan, Gataran. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Kayo lang?
Oo, mga taga ibang chat.
Ito, ano to? Hello.
Ayun ang asawa niya, nakita naman na.
Ngayon ko pa lang sila nakita.
Oh, nagkita na tayo lang.
Ay, bless you. Saan? Sa church?
Oo.
Ay, oo, tama pala.
Oo,
Oh.
nakita mo na sila. Oh.
Nakita ko, kanino anak to?
Sa kanila.
Ah, sa inyo?
One anak dam.
Ay, itong dalawa. Ay, hindi, ito, sa kanya. Oo.
Kuya, agora ka tapag picture naman.
Sa picture truck. Ayan. Nagpila si Bon ng pizza, guys. Gustong kumain ni Bon ng pizza. Oh. Gusto ko chips, Bon. Librehin mo ako, Bon, ha?
Ayoko.
Di ba? Sabi ng mami mo sa akin na librehin mo ako ng pizza.
Ayoko. Wala akong pera.
Hindi pwede yan. Ayan. Magpila tayo dito, guys. Ang haba ng pila, guys, eh. Dito yata ang pinakamaiksin na pilahan, guys. Dito, guys, oh. Nag-eat kami. Chips. Yan, chips, guys. Tingnan mo, guys. Tayo. Kain muna kami, guys. Nagutom.
Push the water.
Kain muna guys, kain. Kain muna, kain. Alright guys, so dito ang mga stall. May mga pabinta rin sila dito. Bawat stall. Meron sila kanya-kanyang mga stall guys. Yan. Ito, love for the dog naman dito. Love for the animals. Dito ang mga pabili. Love of the animals. Dito, mga kuwan yan, oh. Mga ring, mga earrings. Dito din, oh. Dito naman, oh. Monks Society. Dito naman. Dito. Daming mga iba't ibang mga pabili dito guys. Yan, dito oh, RDA. Ano to? Mga frame. Picture frame. Dito naman. Oh. Disable Isle Man objects. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Maganda. Alright, okay. Yeah, sure.
We'll see how
Yeah.
the Polak wants to spin.
Alright, right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, nice to meet you. I just ring here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you. Maganda ito sa pangabata. Kid, are you interested to go this one?
Riding for the Disabled Association. What's that?
Look in here. Riding Disabled Association.
Not really.
Here.
I'm not interested in riding a horse. You're not really dead.
Oh, spin again. Come on, miss, you're next. Oh, sorry. You really want a night out with me? Come on, who's next?
Spin the wheel.
Alright,
Good luck.
is that a win?
Oh.
Come on, come
What do
on,
you
come on.
win if you...
Yeah, good luck.
Raffle ticket if you win.
Yeah, try it.
No, of us you
Go, go, go.
Oh, spin again.
Come on.
Oh, sorry.
still win.
Go on, mate. On you go. Give me plenty.
You win.
Right, in this way. Wait, is that your dad? Come here, Dad. Give this lady your phone number.
Yeah, I got it.
No. Go to this lady
Oh,
and give her
We
your
need your
phone
name
number.
and phone number for the raffle because
Oh.
you've won a free one.
all right, okay.
So we just need a name and a phone number.
Yeah, 21
21
00
00
35
35. And what name would you want to put on?
Junior.
Junior.
Yeah.
Did you win?
Yes.
There you are. I'll give you lucky ticket number 5.
Thank you. Whoa. Whoa.
I'm watching that on Violet. Oh,
Lucky boy.
Well done, boy.
Oh my God.
You had?
I suppose you can win.
Yeah. That's good. Interesting. Nothing.
I see it.
Oh, sorry. All right, guys. Where? Oh, down in the tree. What is this for? Wow.
What's this?
This one, nice. Monks Deep Society. Ding dong. Doorbell. Ah, ding dong. Doorbell. Yeah. Knock the door. Open the door.
That's my doorbell going. That's fine. Now I know what it is.
All right. Come on, girls, boys. We're going down a little bit there. We have a look what's happening there. Ito naman ay mga mug. Uy, may kwan oh. I love man na kwan. Map. Cool. I love man. Map. Di ba? Cool. Ito naman, oh. I need this. Chopping board. It's good chopping board.
Wait for the
Chopping board, guys. Oh. Wow, nice. Wooden. We're going down. What is this? This is different. Oh, ring. A lot of different kind of rings. Earrings and rings. Yan. Dito tayo. Dito naman ang Royal Air Force Association, guys. Yan oh. Yan. Ito naman, what is this? Gourmet ice cream. Ito naman sa mga bata, mga balon. Ito naman ang palaruan ng mga bata.
Are you a bit big for that?
Ayan. Ito naman, together we will beat cancer. Ito naman, tingnan natin kung ano dito. Maraming mga food din dito. Na, Pelbang, shout out!
Pelman, shout out! Ano yan? Live?
Live! Live yan, live! Live! Tingin tayo dito. Marami dito, guys. Oh. Oh. Whoop. What is that? Oh. Oh, may program dito, guys. Ayan. Ito ang makikita natin. How about this area? Food. We're gonna look here. Maybe there's a food here. Here. In here, guys. Baka may mga food. Oh, di ba? May mga program sila dito, guys. Oh. Dito, what is this? What is that? Oh, there's a program there. Okay. Go this way. Ito, guys, oh, maraming mga pabili rin dito. Yan. Oh, ito. Ang daming mga pabili dito, guys. Yan, Monk's Bird Life. Yan, ito. Dito. May mga food din dito, guys, oh. Anong food ito? May food dyan. Hindi na tayo magkain kasi kumain naman tayo. Dito naman tayo. Look at this. Take a self. What is this? What is it?
What word would you pick?
What you this? Take a selfie.
What?
You go.
You pick a word.
Ang daming mga kan dito guys. Ba't ibang mga... Hey, that's a bad? Yeah. You're right.
Yeah, good. You.
Yeah, I'm right.
On your
You see?
video,
Yeah. See you later. May maraming mga pagkain dito guys, mga Asian food dito, different food, parang Indian food. Yan. Dito naman dito Amnesty International. Dito naman, iba naman dito. Anong pa dito? Terrace. Fantastic.
Holy crap, trying to try holy crap.
Dito. Iba naman dito guys. Yan. Yan, iba naman dyan. Come on guys, we're going this way. We're going this way. Maraming tao dito guys. Oh. Di ba? Nag-ikot-ikot lang tayo dito. Yan oh. Oh, may nagsasayaw dito guys oh. Tingnan natin yung nagsasayaw dito. Ibang klaseng sayaw to. Nakakaiba. Paindak-indak. Yan oh. Wow. Oh, oh. That is from Thailand, I think. Yeah, Thailand dance. Thailand dance, guys. Yeah. Thailand dance. Wow. Wow. Diba? Wow. Yes. Thailand dance. Okay. Mga sayaw sa Thailand. Ayan guys, nanonood lang tayo dito. Ayan. Diba? Yan lang si Ka Junior guys. Ayan, ayan. Ayan. Diba? Right. Ito ang kaganapan dito sa may Tin World ngayon. Ayan, no. Kasama kayo sa kuwan ko, ha? Sa vlog ko, ha? Kasama kayo sa vlog ko. Yan. Makita. Yan, makita nyo doon sa inyo. Hi, guys. Yan, batiin mo si Lola mo sa Pilipinas. Hi, Lola. Oh, shout out, yeah. Oh. Shout out sa
Pilipinas.
Sa Pilipinas.
Parating dyan, sa Cotabato City.
Oh, shout out sa mga taga Cotabato diyan. Ayan.
May busis ng kaso.
Sige. Siya daw mag-vlog guys. Alright. Okay. Yan. 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 Shout out. Shout out sa taga Cotabato diyan. Oh, ito mga family ni Kwan. Eric. Is that Eric? Yes. Family yan ni Eric guys yan. Shout out sa family ni Eric. Andito sila oh. Nandito si Jed oh. Nagatago. Ayan.
Practice pa ako.
Oo naman. Oh, yan oh.
Hindi ako makasalita eh.
Yan. Ito si Eric guys. Yan. Marami siguro nakakakilala yan sa kanya sa Cotabato. Ayan. Shout out sa inyong lahat dyan. Sa mga pamilya niya dyan sa Cotabato City.
Piliin mo yung magandang shot mo.
Guys, yan na guys. Oh. Ito ang kaganapan dito ngayon sa May Tinwald. Ayan. Busy ang mga tao. Ayan. Shout out! Ano? Balita. Shout out.
Kaso ako sa Tuesday na balik ito. Medyo pag-pag.
Well, it's nice. Vintage. Wow.
Then we did.
50, 60, 70, 80s, all piece to sell. Mga vintage pala to. This one is Monk's Music. Wow.
Can I ask? I mean, I'm an absolute beginner and I want to listen to jazz on my record player. Is this a good choice?
No, it also, yeah, excellent. It's not modern, though.
Okay, obviously, yeah.
But it's really good classic jazz.
Okay.
We're going, yan. Marami dito guys, iba't ibang mga pabili. Yan guys. Where? Here. What is? Komot? This is your komot?
It's like a single bed type one, and then there's
Wow. Come on. How about this? You don't like want this? BLT. Meat potato. Monk's meat potato. You want this one? Ken? Meat potato? You're gonna eat at home? No? You don't want? Okay. Ayaw nila eh. Alright. Okay. Masarap yan, guys. Pero ayaw ng mga bata. Oh, may mga massage dito, guys. Oh. Oh.
Are we going?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes. Okay. Alright guys. Ayan na guys, yan. Paalis na kami. Tapos na kami nag-ikot-ikot dito sa may Tinwald. Ayan guys. Ayan. Dito. Dito tayo magdaan. Right. Yan. Wala na, tapos na guys. Yan, diba? Alright guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video ngayon. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Alright guys, so sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Kaya don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And comments down below. Bye-bye!